Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open file location on Windows 11. So of course, if you have a Windows 11 in your computer already, that will be great. But if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 for free. Of course, you can run the installation into the background of your PC. And meanwhile, you can use your PC for free. Of course, without any problem, and it could be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a problem. And once the download finish, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And once you do that, you will find your Windows 11 already installed and ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 if you're having any issues or trouble. But I bet you will stay on Windows 11 because you will like it much better. So as we said, we would like to open our file location on Windows 11. So how can we do that? So let's use an example. I'm just going to look for a program here. So I'm going to click at the Windows key on my keyboard. As you can see, that opens this for me. Or you can just go and click at the Windows here on your screen, which is the Starts app. And here, let's use an example. I would like to open the file location of Word. So simply, I'm going here into Word and right click on it. And now I'm just going to click at open file location. And as you can see, that opens the file location of Words and it is into the programs data, Microsoft's Windows starts menu and programs. Of course, if you want to go back, you can just go and hit this programs. And as you can see, you will go back, starts menu, you will go back, and you keep doing that and you will go back until you find yourself in this PC. Of course, if you want to open the file location of any other thing, you can just right click on it as I said. And as you can see, for some of them, they don't have the open file location because they are downloaded per default into your PC. So as you can see, for settings as well, for Paint as well, for Notepad as well, but the things that you downloaded by your own, you'll find the open file location on it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.